I will take a moment to thank each one of you for taking the time out from your heavy schedules and marking this day with your presence. This means a lot for St. Miles GS. To kick things off, please welcome on stage the personality who doesn't need any sort of introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Kapil Maini, Chief Procurement Officer, Cinema SGS, for a welcome address. Can we have a round of applause, sir? Thank you so much, Mr. Maini, for this insightful address, the welcome address. So before we go to the awards, we'll do a quick little ice breaking with each one of you present. You just need to keep your hands empty for a while, just a matter of 1 minute. Keep your hands empty, everybody. Is it? Wonderful. So what you have to do, you just have to follow my commands and you have to clap, okay? If I say one clap, you have to clap once. If I say two claps, you have to clap twice. Very simple? Yes? But it has to be together. As I told you many a times that together we can do anything. So it has to be in unity. Okay? Let's do it together. Just 1 minute of exercise before we commence the award ceremony. Let's do this. One clap. Oh my God, that was amazing. Okay, let's do this one more time. One clap. One clap. One clap. One clap, two claps, two claps. Amazing. Two claps, two claps. Piche wale bhi. Let's do this. Two claps, two claps, two claps, two claps. One clap, no clap. कौन था जो बजा रहे थे नो क्लाप्स में भी ये देखो Oh my God. So, ये rhythm बिगाड़ना was my task. But then I wanted to make you all awaken because this is truly the time for which we all have worked so hard. And this is the time where we are going to recognize them, going to call them on the stage. And that will be the moment when I want all of you to clap in unity and accelerate and acknowledge the efforts they have done. All right? So before we commence, everybody, एक बार अपने लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Let's clap for ourselves, everyone. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without taking any further time, I'm going to call someone on the stage who is very close to our hearts. He's go-to person whenever we need to know anything, whenever we have any questions, whenever we need any assistance. He is always there to stand. He's the one who usually don't require any sort of introduction. He is very close to our hearts. We all love him and he loves us too. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Sanjeev Kher to officially close this powerful day as a vote of thanks. Can we have a round of applause, everybody? Mr. Sanjeev. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of such a nice, such a fruitful day, which got you a lot of knowledge, a lot of information. I hope you learned a lot, and this day was very fruitful for all of you. Let us now continue the celebration and over the cocktails and the dinners. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much for taking the time out from your heavy schedules and marking this glorious evening with your presence.